Here's the core question. How can I improve my LinkedIn profile for 2019? I don't care what year it is. Here are a few things that you need to do to get your LinkedIn profile built as best you can. Number one, have a decent picture. Number two, just have your name here. Number three, write a headline that's compelling, focused on your most important viewer. Listen to these words, telling them what you do using your keywords. Number four, build out your contact information. Make yourself accessible to your most important viewer as best you can. Another thing you do too, check in this top card area right here and make sure you have the right region and the right industry. Number four, write a summary statement focused on your most important viewer, telling them what you do. Use this box of 2,000 characters here to tell your most important viewer what you want them to know in regards to what you do focused to them. And these first three lines right here are paramount, because if you don't build those first three lines out right, they'll never read the rest of this stuff. Look at what you have in these three lines. It best be speaking clearly to your most important viewer, so they'll go here. And then go a little further. Go to your experience section and populate that. Don't use titles here. Use keywords relevant to those titles. Again, keywords that are focused on your most important viewer. Fill this box out here. Again, you get 2,000 characters. Speak to your most important viewer with keywords focused on what you do relevant to them. Build out any current positions in the best possible way. Prior positions, downplay them if they're not relevant to who you are or what you do today, focused on your most important viewer. Or talk about what you did back in that organization in the past that is relevant to what you do today or shows professional growth. Put your education in there, higher ed only, relevant licenses, volunteer experience showing that you're involved in your community. Stay between the lines. Don't go talking about left-wing, right-wing activities, politics, or religion unless you're a politician or a minister. Put only the relevant skills. Don't worry about endorsements, but fill this out as best you can. Ask for recommendations relevant, again, to who you are and what you do today. Give out a few recommendations. And populate your accomplishments sections. You'll find all this stuff under Add a New Profile. Populate this with publications, organizations, projects, courses, etc. that, again, are relevant to who you are and what you do. Focus to your most important viewer, your ideal client, your target audience today. Just threw a lot of stuff at you. What's really important is think this way. Keywords, relevance, focused, target audience, most important viewer, telling them what you do to serve them. Again, keywords. From Teddy, I hope that was helpful.